Kamigalaya Shen kan sayo ekajaka na kabenta bantang bat penkuy ekijaklia nakitiar bapenan kam haki hospital. Yagani ekajaka kabedan New Shillong latip kum ka biomedical waste incinerator yakaba ka jinglut banchna yaka kalong South Klur tingka. Umentri rang ba ka jalau kondut ki sangma ora lechingo egani ekajaka hakaba ka jingtre kala nang ya chakman.
We've just visited ISBT where the site for the biomedical waste incinerator is being prepared. This is a 4 crore project which has already been sanctioned, and the work also has started. So I've just come to see the work, and we're hopeful that within a few months the work for this also will be completed. This is something that was very much needed because a lot of biomedical waste is there which needs to be disposed of safely. So once this comes up, that objective will be met.